In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Open to Work on LinkedIn. If you previously enabled the Open to Work feature and now want to remove it from your profile, the process is very quick. This can be useful if you've already found a job, if you want to pause your search, or if you simply prefer not to display that status publicly anymore. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can update it without any confusion. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. You can usually do this by clicking your profile picture or your name from the LinkedIn home screen. Once you're on your profile, you'll want to focus on the top section, sometimes called the introduction card. This is the area near the top of your profile where your main information appears, such as your headline, profile photo, and job search settings. Next, locate the Open to Work section inside that introduction card. Depending on how your profile is set up, this may appear as a visible banner or status area showing that you're open to job opportunities. Take a moment to identify that section clearly before moving on. If your profile has a lot of activity or information, staying focused on the top card will make this easier. Once you've found the Open to Work section, click the pencil icon associated with it. The pencil icon is the edit button, and selecting it will open the settings for that job seeking preference. This is where LinkedIn lets you make changes to the feature instead of editing other parts of your profile by mistake. After the edit window opens, click delete. This removes the Open to Work setting from your profile. In many cases, LinkedIn may ask you to confirm the action, so if you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and approve it. After that, the Open to Work label should no longer appear on your profile. That's all it takes. It's a simple update, but it's a good one to know because profile visibility settings can affect how you appear to recruiters, employers, and your professional network. If you ever want to enable it again in the future, you can return to your profile and set it back up from the same general area. And that's how to turn off Open to Work on LinkedIn.